art friends, welcome to today's how-to. Today we're going to be learning how to draw Popcuru and Fizzuru from Steal a Brainrot, and don't forget to pause the video to follow along at your own pace. So first let's get started over on the left hand side, and we're going to start on the top here with the popcorn bucket, just curving this line across to the right. We're going to round this out on the edges. So on the left hand side we're going to curve this down, and then we'll do the exact same thing on the right. Let's continue to close this off underneath. So we're going to curve this line over, pulling that back up on the right. Let's draw the popcorn up above. So in the center, curving this line over to the right. And then we're going to arch this line around, pulling that back down. Now from that point, we're going to curve this over and down to the top. Let's step up. We're going to curve this back across again. And then one more time, just arching that down to the bottom. Let's step over. We're going to curve this out. And then again, curving this around and down on the edge. Moving across on the left, we're going to curve that line out. And then we're going to round this out on the top, pulling that back in. And then again, curving this down. Let's move up. We're going to curve this out. Again, pulling that around and back down. Now to the left of that, arching that over. And then again, just curving this over to the side. Let's come up. We'll start on the right here, arching this around and down. And then we'll curve this across. Let's move back over on the left, arching that over. And then again, rounding that out on the very top there, pulling that in. Let's close some off in the center. So we're just going to curve this out. Again, starting from that line, pulling that through. And then moving up, drawing in an arch line, and then again, curving this around and down. Now from here, arching that over, one more time, curving this over and back in. Let's move up, so we're gonna curve this out. Again from here, curving this around and down, and then arching this across. Now on the top here, we're gonna curve this line out, rounding this out on the very top, and then again curving this over and back through on the side. Now on the left, we're going to close off the popcorn bucket. So we're going to draw a diagonal line coming down towards the middle, and then we'll do the exact same thing on the right, and we're just going to end that at the same height. Now let's round this out underneath with a curved line. Let's move into the center. We're going to draw in an arch line for the nose. Now step down for the smile, replicating that. We're just going to make this one bigger. Let's add in a small corner bracket on each side. And then stepping down, just another curved line. Let's come up for the eyes. So on the left-hand side on a diagonal, curving this line over. We'll do the exact same thing on the right. Let's draw a circle on top. So we're going to curve this around, pulling that back through. Moving into the middle, let's replicate that again. Now on the top left-hand side, let's draw in another circle for the highlight. And then coming down on a diagonal, let's replicate that again, making the second one smaller. And then now let's just color in the pupil black. Let's move underneath that for the cheek, and we're just going to draw in a circle. Moving up for the eyebrow, we're going to curve this line across towards the center. And then we'll round that out on the inside, curving this over and down. Now in the middle, let's curve this line across. To the left of this, rounding this out towards the center. and then continuing to pull this back around, finishing off the circle towards the right. Let's draw on our stripe pattern now. So in the middle, stepping over 2 straight lines. Let's come up, following that through to the top. Stepping across, we'll replicate that. We're just gonna pull these out on a slight diagonal this time. Pulling those through to the top as well. And now one last time, we're just gonna draw in our last diagonal line coming all the way up. Now let's draw in the legs. So from the center, stepping out, we're gonna draw a diagonal line coming out on both sides. Pull this around, so we're gonna curve this out and then back in. Let's step over, curving this over, pulling that back through. Again, moving across, curving that in. And then one more time, stepping out, curving this over and through on a diagonal again. Now from that edge there, we're gonna pull this line up towards the top to finish off the legs. And now let's move over. So we're going to come up from this line. We're gonna draw on a curved line from left to right again. We're gonna arch this through, curving that into the top. Again, let's round this out. So we're gonna curve this line over towards the right. Now stepping in from this line, we're gonna curve this out again towards the top. Let's continue to round this out. So we're just gonna curve this over towards the very right. Let's add in the little pattern here. So from the middle, we're gonna draw on a curved line that comes in towards the top on both sides. We'll step out again, replicating that. Let's do the same thing moving over. So curving this up. And then again, one more time, moving out, pulling that in. Now let's come down in the center. Again, stepping over, curving this down to the bottom. We'll move across again, replicating that. Now let's move out, replicating that again, pulling that in. Step out. Now let's draw on the straw. So from the center, stepping over, we're gonna draw a diagonal line coming out on the left. We'll step up on a diagonal, leaving a gap, replicating that on the right. We're gonna draw 2 straight lines coming out to the left from both sides, ending that at the same width. And then we'll close this off with a curved line. From corner to corner here, we're just gonna curve this line out. Step down, leaving a gap, replicating that. We'll move down, leaving another gap, drawing in another curved line. And we'll come down and do that 2 more times. So we're gonna leave an even amount of space as we curve this out. Let's move through on the top, replicating that. So from the corner here, curving this up. We'll step over, replicating that. And then again, one last time. Let's draw in the body now. So we're gonna draw a diagonal line coming down on the left. And then we'll do the exact same thing on the right, ending that at the same height. Let's close this off with an arch line. Let's move in, leaving a small gap, drawing in another diagonal line coming down, replicating that on the right. And we'll close this off with a curved line underneath. Now coming up from the center on the left-hand side, arching this out. We'll do the exact same thing on the right. Let's draw in a circle. So for the eye, we're gonna arch this all the way around, pulling that back in on the left. And then we'll do the exact same thing on the right-hand side as well. Now let's move in. We're gonna leave another gap and we're gonna pull this all the way around and through to the top, replicating this on the right. Now on the top left-hand side, let's draw in a nice big circle for that highlight. Let's come down on a diagonal, replicating that, making the second one smaller. And now let's just color in our eye black. Let's round up the edges here for the little tear that's falling down. So just drawing in a curved line on both sides. Now for the mouth directly in the center, we're going to draw a big frown. So we're just going to arch this across, moving underneath, replicating that in the center, making this one smaller. Now from the corner here, we're going to draw in a curved line, arching that in. Let's draw in the legs now. So from the center, stepping over, we're going to draw a diagonal line coming out on both sides. For the foot, we're going to round this out, curving this over, pulling that back in, replicating that on the opposite side. Let's move over, curving this out and back in. Now again, stepping across, we're going to curve this out and up. And then one last time, arching this around and back in. Let's close off the leg, pulling this line up to the top. And that is it. That's how you draw Popcuru and Fizzuru from Stila Brainrot. You can pause the video and color it the way that I have done, or you can change your colors up if you'd like. If you enjoyed today's video, please hit that thumbs up button and subscribe to the channel. Also drop a comment below suggesting any more characters that you'd love to learn to draw next. Thank you so much for joining me on today's tutorial, and I will see you all on the next one.